welcome back. It's been so long. But today I'm going to show you guys how I created this full coverage glam. Super easy. I use all my favorite products, and if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Put my headband. I'm gonna look even crazier, but this is how I do my makeup. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using products that I tend to use a lot. So I'm gonna be going in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I freaking love this foundation. Probably put a little bit too much, but I'm in the shade 80W. This matches me pretty good. It might be slightly dark now, but it's doable. Usually I use a brush, but I feel like for today I'm just going to use a sponge. I believe this is a Morphe one. And this will pick up some of the coverage since it is a sponge, but whatever. We'll fix that. Like, look how pretty that looks. Now, to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with two different concealers. My jam is Too Faced Multi-Use. This is in the shade Almond. Pretty much use this to highlight. And I like full coverage. If you don't like super full coverage, you probably don't want to follow along with everything. But yeah, I like a full-on cake face without it looking cakey, you know? And then I'm also going to take Infallible Full Wear in, what shade is this? Oh, 330 Ivory. Just a little bit under the eyes just to brighten it up a little bit more. But yeah, I'm just kind of showing you guys my everyday, no, not even everyday, because every day I tend to do like even more full glam than this. But like my go-to glam, I'm just trying to do something quick, but like cute, you know? It is honestly pretty fast for me if I'm not actually filming it or going on live. My god, I don't know why my eye bags lately have been freaking horrible. And I've been getting more sleep. I don't know, but concealer will cover it. Next, I'm going to take same concealer, just in a different shade. I used Chestnut. This is just going to warm up my face. I'm really into cream contouring. And on the forehead, I literally take like the tiniest amount because I've learned that this is crazy pigmented. So if I do anything more than this, I'm gonna look too tan, but not in the right places. I don't know. Now for brush, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. Look how cute my mirror is. I love pigs. Look, I have my pigs back there too. Anyways, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush to blend it. This is like honestly one of my first brushes I ever bought. So, I don't know if they still have it. I'm pretty sure that this looks like, I don't know, I feel like I've seen this at Ulta. But anyways, taking this brush, just blending out that cream contour, and I'm focusing more on like the outer areas, and then with whatever's left I just go on the forehead. So she looks nice and warm. Now I have some color coming through, and then when you put your powder, it's just gonna soften it up a little bit. So yeah, don't worry about it. And I just like taking like the brush in like little circles and kind of just dabbing it on, but not like, you know? And here's what I mean, like I didn't put so much, but it's already so bright and pigmented. Now before I set it, I just want to look up one more time. And then I'm using the One Size powder, translucent, and I'm just gonna press this right under my eyes. And I kind of just put it on the lid. I'll just like press it in. Just make sure it's like really in there. I'm gonna make sure to get rid of that because if not, it's gonna like cast on. So I'm gonna just take my 99 brush, my Sephora collection. This is what I mean. Damn. It's okay, we'll fix it later. I don't want to play with it too much. Because if not, it's gonna come out worse. I'm gonna take my Sephora collection powder in 25 and then my Sephora collection 59 brush. I'm just gonna use this for the rest of my face. This powder is freaking bomb. Like it, I don't know what it is about it, but it literally gives like a really nice smooth finish to your skin. Okay, I'm gonna take some setting spray of it. Let's see if it comes off. Where's my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray? Oh, it kind of came off. Literally drenched myself in this. Just waiting for this to dry. Watch me smack myself in the face. Okay, I think it looks better. I went ahead and put some banana powder. I just used the Ofra, literally banana powder. Looks like this, and I just used number 99 Sephora collection. And I feel like my face looks a little bit better now. Let me grab my coffee, I forgot. Oh my god, my cocaine is falling through my chair. But I have my coffee. I kind of learned how to make good homemade coffee now. God, my baby hairs, I have so much. I used to shave them off, but it is what it is. My nose contour is looking really harsh right there, but we'll fix it. But to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury palette. I just use the contour. I don't really use a highlight, but I'm just going to take my, I like using this ColourPop F30. It's just going to give me like a very soft contour. Like, I don't want it to be so harsh because I like using a lot of bronzer, and that's what gives me more warmth. This is just going to give me more shadows to the face. The last video that I recorded on a camera was like back when we were still shut down. And I remember when I recorded it, I was like, oh, it looks so cute. And then I looked back at it and I looked like Snicky. And not Snicky right now, like Snicky when she was like on Jersey Shore. I was looking so warm. So I'm like, oh, hopefully this is better. I followed like this TikTok video saying like what settings you should have in your camera. So hopefully this is good. It looks good on my monitor, but I don't know. I guess that's how you learn, right? Making mistakes. I'm just gonna carve it out a tiny bit. You can even use your banana powder, but I don't want to waste so much of it because that thing's bomb. So this will do. And I don't leave like a super harsh line because I don't want it to be like, I just want it to be like very soft. A product I literally cannot live without. This is my Fenty bronzer. She's a little beat. This is in Private Island. Oh, you see my guy. I like using a big brush for this because I like giving more warmth all over the face. My god, my fingers look so long with these nails. Holy crap. I feel like I need a new background. Like, this is so... I feel like I have cuter parts to my room, but my vanity's right here, so it's like I need another table or something. I don't know. This will do. This will do. I feel like I need to stop overthinking everything so much. Like, I know everyone doesn't start with their full like backdrop or stuff like that, but I want it to be like that already. Poco poco. I've been using this smaller blush, this smaller brush for blush. I really like Keep It Peachy by Wet n Wild. I don't know if they still have this color because this is the old packaging and it looks like this. I like a very like peachy coral tone for my blush. So I'll use that first and then I'll go in with a different one. This is like my base blush. And I kind of just bring it a little bit higher again. Let me scoot in. I just bring it a little bit higher too because, like I said, I want more structure to my cheeks. I want to look a little bit more lifted. And just to add more color overall, I'm just going to put some underneath the nose, and then I'm going to contour it right after. So I'm not going to go super like in depth with my nose contour, but I'm going to be using the same Charlotte Tilbury and just use this contour shade and the Makeup by Mario, brush in E3. And I forgot to shake it off. So if you like go a little too far, you're fine. That banana powder literally cleans everything up. And I bring it up to my brows just to make it look as natural as possible. I'm gonna just take the banana powder that looks like this, and I'm literally just gonna carve it out with this tiny brush. Then go along the middle and on the tip as well. Oh my god, it looks really dark right now. Hold on, let me put some at this one. Okay, just put some banana powder on the tip of my nose too, so it looks a little lighter. Then once that settles in, I'll take it off and then I'll put some highlight, and then it'll look nice and snatched. I swear I just had my brow freeze and I don't know where I left it. And this happens all the time. You need a product and then it goes missing. It's right in front of my face. Anyways, I've been using a brow freeze lately and I feel like I can't use anything else anymore, so I'm just gonna be doing that today. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the brow freeze, literally just put it in there. I'm sure you guys know how this works. And if you don't, just watch me do it. So I'm literally just gonna brush it through. Like I said, I'm not gonna do like a super like crazy brow today. I kind of just want something more soft. And this has like a lot of like residue. Hold on. I'm gonna switch this side. I'm gonna flatten them a little bit, but not really like fluff them up so much, if you know what I mean. Okay, and then I'm gonna carve out my brows using the same concealer, the Too Faced Multi-Use in the shade Almond. And I just follow the shape of my eye. What the hell? I just follow the shape of my eyebrow. And then I'm using this brush. Honestly, this is hella old. So it has like no name, no number, but it's just like a flat concealer brush. Just like that, and literally just cover the whole lid because I'm just gonna add like a bronzer to my eyes just to give more warmth. I'm gonna just take a fluffy brush, kind of just like, I think I'm gonna use this one. This Sephora Collection 27, and then my Fenty bronzer, and I'm literally just gonna use this color for eyeshadow. I don't even think I'm gonna wear this. So dude, I was washing dishes before I started filming, and I was cleaning una olla. I freaking slammed it like on the water that was like in the sink, and it splashed all over my face and all over my shirt, so I'm gonna change out of this. Luckily it wasn't like super dirty water because it was the last dish and I had already cleaned the sink, but still. I would be really grossed out if it was like hella dirty water. I'm gonna be using the Dior face palette in pure gold. This thing is freaking beautiful. I'll use this ColourPop brush in F32, and I literally just like swatch all four, and then I'll just add it like on my cheeks a little bit, and it's so like highlighting, but it's like glittery, but not like thick glitter. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just so pretty. Like I always think of like a highlight like almost like wet skin, but I don't know, she's just real cute. Okay, now to finish off the brows, I'm gonna add a little bit of like a brow pen. I'm gonna use a Kevyn Aucoin brow pen. This is True Feather brow marker, Gel Duo. Wait, it has a what is this side? How did I not know this? I've been using this side, but I didn't know it had a freaking gel over here. That is so cool. I'm not gonna need it, but today. But I'm gonna use brunette, and this is just gonna create more of like a feathered brow. I'm like literally in shock right now because of that thing. Should I do a, oh my god, it always gets stuck. Should I do a soft lash or dramatic lash? Okay, so I added my lashes. Like I said, I did end up using the Miami Shorts by Lily Lashes. Oh my god, my lips are looking hella crusty. Essence Silky Nude Liner. Everyone always asks me about this liner, and it's freaking bomb. Like, it literally brightens up my eyes so much, and like, it's so creamy and pigmented. But yeah, I think it's like $3 also. But I kid you not, every time I wear it, I always get so much questions about it. Like the difference. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna be using the famous Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Honestly, I really liked this, but I feel like now that it's getting like a little bit more dry because I've used it a couple of times, it's not like crazy good. I feel like it's not worth the hype that it got. I feel like there's better mascaras. Like, I love L'Oreal Telescopic, and I feel like I'll always go back to that one. It gives you kind of like the same look, but the wand is completely differently. I just don't like how wobbly this wand is, but I guess it's just like personal preference. Sweet Tea by Morphe. It is such a pretty color, and I feel like it just goes so well with my skin tone. So I always overline the top just a little bit, just to define my cupid's bow a little bit more, and then I overline a bit here, and then I just follow like my regular lip shape, because I do have a lip filler, so I don't need to overline too much. And then I kind of just bring in the color a little bit, just to blend out the edges. Okay, and to finish it off, I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna do more of a dramatic ombre lip. So I'm using Wifey by Kara Beauty. It's like a cute little nude, and I'm using my Real Techniques brush just to like blend it through. So I think I'm gonna do a gloss at the end, but I'm gonna do my hair first, and then I'll come back because I don't want it to get all crusty and stuff. Yeah, let me do my hair really quick. I don't leave my hair down very often anymore, so seeing myself with like my hair curled makes me feel like a whole different person. I just went ahead and did some soft curls with my T3 curling iron. I'm gonna for sure try to do this more consistently. Hopefully aim for like 1 video a week. I'm still trying to get like used to everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!